Welcome to the Amateur Machine Shop. In this video I'm showcasing one of my next projects, Mr. Jan Ryder's Mini Flame Eater engine. These are also known as Stirling engines. I received the plans from Mr. Ryder and proceeded to draw each part in Fusion 360. Having a CAD model helps to visualize the design of each part, also allows to see how deviations or changes of the parts will affect the overall design. There are a few interesting parts like the cams. It will be a fun challenge to make them. Fusion 360 has a rendering tool built into it. Makes for some awesome pictures to create a near lifelike image. With permission from Mr. Ryder, I can show how this little engine runs and sounds. As the name implies, it uses a small flame as its power source. I'll explain more in a future video. It is sure to be a fun project. Please subscribe and comment below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.